Hello friends, welcome to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for all you budding managers. Now it's been more than 5 months that I have been working from home. So I thought let me share some tips and tricks related to how you maintain your health. I think most of the people are doing also the same, so this lockdown certainly taking tone on our health. As the world has been turned upside down, normal life has been put to so hold now. It has become more important to stay fit and healthy. That's because staying fit and healthy and happier is one of the best ways to get through these difficult times. So do watch the video till the end to find out more about the lifestyle tips. So friends, let me share some tips relating to staying healthy and fit. Though I am not an expert, but I always try those tips to stay healthy and fit. So the first point is boost your immunity. Nowadays it is being the buzzword. We heard this word so many times from everyone. So what is the immunity? Immunity means it's our body's defense system against disease. The immune system protect us from germs, the virus that could make us ill, and our system is the first line of defense against the virus and the germs. So immunity is very important. Second, have 30 minutes of me time every day, so you can do whatever exercise you want to do, be it is walking, jogging, running, doing some weights, yoga, or anything, or maybe dancing, which keeps your body moving and having a good heart rate. And try to do these things at least 5 times a week. I also try to do that, but sometime I do also missed, but the next day I will try to make it for that loss, which is very important. Then eat healthy and balanced food. Oh god, that's quite a challenge for me also, as I always do munching while working, sitting at my desk, but that's a strict no. We need to have small but healthy meals during the whole day, including a lot of vegetables and the fruits, because these include like various vitamins like A, which immune responses against diseases. Vitamin C helps fight against cold. Vitamin D fight inflammation. Vitamin E is good for your eyes and immunity system, and omega-3, which is good for your heart. As we know, healthy food can reduce the risk of obesity, anxiety and depression. Then get enough sleeps. As I always state that while working from home, we have to call it day. We can't be available 24/7. So get enough sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours at night, though we can watch our share of Netflix maybe on weekend, but not on every day. Understood? Then walk 5 minutes every hour, even if it is in the house. Get up from your desk and walk around in the room itself. So swing your arms, neck, see outside the window, having something green, because as you know, our screen time has increased multiple times while working from home. So keep those eyes fresh and moist too. Wash your eyes after few hours of screen time. Then stay hydrated, drink water, no sugary drink, only plain water, maybe coconut water, or maybe the chach, or any other thing that you like, but no to sugary drink. Understood? Then stay in touch with family and friends, which is very important in this tough time. It is important to focus on something positive in our life, to talk to your friends and family through the, then again, technology only as many of us can't see our friends and loved one face to face, but we should use the technology to keep in touch, speaking with people for whom we care, which gives you and them a mental boost. Then get a hobby. As we are working from home, we have some time for ourselves. We are saving time while going to office, right? So we try to do something related to your passion. Like I have started my own YouTube channel, and this is I have been thinking from quite a long time, but never had a time to pursue it earlier. But better late than never. So try to do something related to your passion. You can do gardening, which gives a lot of mental peace and fresh air also. So do whatever you have to do. Control stress, as there is a stress due to deadlines, targets to be met, because there is no let up in the working environment. So while working from home or you have to do outside, then meeting people is not easy as earlier, and news about down world economy, job skirt makes our life more tough. Then lastly, social distancing. We should maintain a social distancing while we are outside and follow the rules implemented by our government. It is vital that we all take care of our physical and emotional health during this difficult time. So friends, in this trying time, we should focus on our physical and mental health and take care of your elderly parents too. Hope you will pick up few lines from my blog. If you like my channel, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe it, so it be a healthy and fit till we meet next. Ciao. Bye bye.